well, this is a bit different. For some reason it's idling like a crazy motherfucker, so I'm just going to turn it off while I'm waiting at the lights. Oh my god, this is different. Tell you what, going from a dirt bike straight back onto this bike in a matter of hours is just like chalk and cheese. I cannot believe the difference between these two bikes. Like, it just feels completely and totally different. All with each with their own merits, but like just switching from the dirt bike to this bike, it's it's just totally, everything is different. Everything is just a different feel, a different you know, the dirt bike, it just like, you feel as though you could turn on a dime. Like, you feel like you could you know, you sort of feel like you could chuck a U-turn inside a lane. Even pulling out of the driveway, this you suddenly feel like you're not turning, and it's only because it just doesn't have that same turning circle that you just got accustomed to. And the gearing is just like, you know, it feels like you've selected like half a dozen different gears in the time it takes to select one of these gears. So dirt bike, yeah, I thought, why not? My brother was selling it, and I sort of always wanted one. In fact, I've always wanted one since I was like 5 years old, and my mum told me I wasn't allowed to get one. And so here I am, you know, almost 4 decades later, I finally got myself a dirt bike. Not that I was waiting for permission or anything, but I don't know, it just takes some time to prioritize these things. So I've spent the last few days just putting all the bits back on it to register it. You know, lights, horn, all that sort of stuff, which is, you know, reasonably challenging. Took the whole weekend pretty much to get it all back to, I had to rewire a lot of stuff. Basically, when it comes to registering a dirt bike, this one had been registered before, so it wasn't too bad. I just needed to put everything back again. Nice Mustang. So yeah, I just went to get a blue slip and it didn't pass because we couldn't find the compliance plate. So this bike has been registered previously, so I don't know what happened, why it's not there, but it seems to have come off somehow. So I've now got to go to KTM, or go to a dealer, KTM dealer, and order a compliance plate, and then they've got to fit it and then I got to go back and do the blue slip again. Ugh, it's a bit of a pain, but so be it. But the whole process of registering a dirt bike so that you can ride at places in, you know, the state forest, etc. It's a bit of a pain in the ass, but the main reason they really sort of are pushing for that, and I know there's people who ride dirt bikes kind of go, why should we have to register now, like we're just riding in the dirt? But the main thing is that the state forest roads are public roads, effectively, and it's not necessarily about, you know, everyone says this, oh, it's about revenue raising. The main thing it's about is, yeah, it kind of is, because it's CTP green slip, right? It's so that if you, as a motorcyclist in the dirt, run into someone else and injure them, then they're protected. They can claim medical bills on compulsory third party. So that's what it's about. That's why they do it. So yeah, you've just got to pay your bit so that everyone's protected. That's pretty much it. Anyway, so I've got a little bit of work to do to get this bike registered, but so be it. I got a dirt bike. Yeah. I know it's just a little bit childish, but it's exciting. All right, stay safe, have fun, see you guys.